So hello everyone, I am Kari Ann Gilbert. I am a project coordinator here at the Vanderhoof campus of the College of New Caledonia. We run Monday to Friday from 8:30 to 4. We are currently running a few programs. We have, in partnership with Northern Health, we are running healthcare assistant. So that is, we have a new lab, healthcare lab, which we'll be able to show you within our tour, but that is helping. There's been a lot of cohorts of that coming through, and we're pretty excited about that one as well. Currently, we have an industrial mechanic course that's running. We're kind of at the end of that, but it's the first trades program that we've ran in our new building, and it's going really well, extremely well, and we're very excited to see for the future prospects of that program for sure. We have a few high school students that are getting a dual credit out of it, so we're finding that to be very successful as well. We run a bunch of one-day courses. We do a lot of occupational first aid level 1s, and we're getting back into doing occupational first aid level 3s, which is the 2-week course that is looking for it. So the first aids keep us quite busy as well. I would encourage everyone to go look at our website, because we, not only the ones that we offer here, but just we have a high flex model. Like, it's a blended model of learning right now, where you can be at the Vanderhoof campus, but your instructors are based out of Prince George or elsewhere, so you're still able to get the full benefit of the course, but you just don't have to do the travel. So I encourage people to go to the website and look at those things. We also have a Facebook page, CNC Nechako, and we are on Instagram. So anytime that we have any events, we definitely look to support local businesses for everything that we do. For example, when we have our open houses, we use the local to supply. We had Rio Theater and the Cozy Corner, and all of we like to promote the local businesses as much as we possibly can when we're doing events.